much cash as you can carry, you can keep. I don't care if you put it in your pockets, in your hoodie, in your pants, in your shoes.
When do I go?
Now. It starts now.
Oh my gosh, what can I do with all this money?
Stuff it in every crevice you got. I need you to stand up. It's as much cash as you can carry. Do you want to keep adding more money? Like we can add a $5 bill there. We can add a $5 bill here. You add a $5 bill here.
Let's stop.
This is like $2 grand. You sure you don't want me to put it down?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Go
with that. All right, I think you should stop. Stop it. Yo, you stopped it just in time.
Nice.
According to the scale, you have $151.
Do you know that you can make quality videos just like MrBeast, and your videos can also go viral just like his? Yes, that is true. And as we all know, right now, MrBeast is the king of YouTube. His videos pulls in thousands and millions of views every single month. And here is the crazy but bitter truth. It's not because he's rich or lucky. There is a system behind every single upload. In fact, if you follow the same step, even in a small budget or in a small channel, you can massively grow your channel very fast and hit the top. Today in this video, I'm going to be telling you the exact formula which MrBeast uses to make viral videos, and I'm breaking it down step by step so you can start applying it right now after watching this. And if you think it's about spending millions of money, no, I'm sorry, you are wrong. Hello guys, how are you doing? Hope you are good. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time meeting me here, my name is Precious, and here in my channel I bring to you strategies, tools, ways, ideas in which you can grow your YouTube channel very fast and get monetized. So let's grow together. First thing first is where the viral video really starts. Most YouTubers don't even sit down to think about the video they want to create or to do research about it. Researches like what will make this video clickable, what will make this video ideal for viewers to watch and enjoy. Some just start with turning on the cameras and figuring things out as they go. MrBeast don't do like that. He spends hours, days and sometimes weeks just thinking about ideas. His golden rules is simple. If the ideas is not clickable, it isn't worth filming. Think about it this way. Before someone watch, they have to click. And they will only click if the concept make them really curious. That is why his ideas can easily be explained in a simple, exciting sentence. Something like, I gave $1 million to a random person. Or, last to leave circle wins $500. You don't need crazy or very big budget to do things like this. For example, if you are on a cooking channel or a cooking niche and you pick a title like making a pancake, it's too ordinary. People already know what a pancake is. They already know what a pancake looks like. So there is no mystery, no reason to click on that particular title. Instead, add something unusual, something surprising, something that will make people curious, something extreme, so that people can click and watch it to see what happens. Let's say title like making a pancake without any kitchen tools. This title makes people curious. They will be like, how will it happen? How is it even possible? Will they use their hands to make the pancake? Okay, or title like, can I make an entire meal blindfolded? They will carry something and tie in your eyes and you'll be cooking. Will that be possible? You see, once you use title like this, people will be curious. They will be like, how will this even be possible? They will want to click and watch to see the end, to see how it really happens. Or another title, something like, I tried cooking with only one ingredient. Oh my goodness, this is really crazy. How can somebody cook with only one ingredient? Maybe you want to cook jollof rice and you decide to use only seasoning cubes to make jollof rice. No oil, nothing, only seasoning cube. Oh my goodness, that is very crazy. It's not even possible. But once you use title like this, it will draw people's attention, it will draw people's mind. Let me click, let me see the only one ingredient that somebody can use to make jollof rice. So the main point here is, don't just tell viewers what you are doing. Okay, Make the title promise an interesting twist so they feel like they really have to click to find out what happened. Let it spark a very strong curiosity. And remember, the more your title make people curious and surprised, the higher your click-through rate. So, mission number 1, pick up a title, a very great and mind-blowing title that will make even a stranger to stop scrolling and watch the video. Secondly, the thumbnail and the title comes first before the camera turns on. Here is something 90% of YouTubers, especially beginners, get very wrong. They film first and then think about the thumbnail and the title later. No, MrBeast doesn't work like that. MrBeast creates the thumbnail and title before filming so that every shot in the video matches the promised title. His thumbnails are easy to spot. Bright colors, big clear faces with emotion. Titles are very short and sparked with curiosity. For your videos, write down the title first, then design a thumbnail that matches with your title before you start filming. Keep the both of them easy and simple to understand in just a second. Thirdly, is the first 30 seconds in your videos. Yes, that will determine if viewers will continue watching or if they will just drop off at that moment. Okay, so once you start filming, once you open your camera to start filming, hook your viewers first. Let your first 10 to 20 seconds in your video start with a very strong hooks that will make viewers to keep watching, hooks that will make them to want to find out what really happens. Because once you uploaded a video on YouTube share it immediately to varieties of audience. That is the chance YouTube is given to you. But once people click and drop out, YouTube stop recommending your videos. MrBeast knows this. That is why his video starts with action right away. Action, immediate action, no long intro, no slow build up. It's like opening a movie with the most interesting and exciting parts. Example, something like today I am giving $100 to this homeless shelter. So now for your channel, think about the most exciting and emotional moment to put at the start of your video. Okay, make people to feel like if this is how it starts, I need to know how it ends. Another thing is keeping the viewers watching with a smart editing. Have you ever wondered why you did not feel bored in a MrBeast video from beginning to the end? It is not an accident, it is editing skills. Every few seconds something changes. Camera angle zoom or sound effect or a cut to a new shot. The music keeps the energy up and the person never slows down. You don't need expensive tools to do this editing. You can use free tools like CapCut or InShot to do your editing. Just cut out the boring parts from your video. Here's what you will do. While editing your videos, watch it from beginning to the end and from the ending to the beginning part and ask yourself, if I am a stranger, will I keep watching these videos up to this point? Okay, or if you get to a point, you will ask yourself, will I keep on watching these videos? If the answer is no, just cut out that part you feel that is boring to you. And the fifth thing is viewers come first. Number one reason why MrBeast succeeds on most of his videos, or why most of his videos succeeded, is that he think about his viewers first. He did not make a video that pleases him. He did not make a video that he wants to watch. He puts his viewers first. He makes videos that he knows that his audience will love. Okay, he makes sure that every part in his videos worth sticking around to watch. Yes, he makes his audience feel entertained. The same thing can happen to you. You can get the same result if you make your viewers or your audience feel entertained, inspired, educated, amazed while watching your videos. They will like it, they will love it, they will keep on watching. They will click on your next videos and YouTube will recommend you more. What makes MrBeast videos go viral is not the money, it's just the ideas and the execution. You can take the same formula to just make a great videos. Okay, first of all, find a title that will spark curiosity, title that when a viewer sees it, they will be prompt to click and watch. Then design a very good thumbnail, a simple but great thumbnail. Let your thumbnail be very clear so that whenever someone sees that thumbnail, they will understand what the thumbnail is all about. For instance, if you see this thumbnail here, you have already known what this thumbnail is all about. Another thing is hook viewers. Okay, the first 10 seconds and 20 seconds of your video, let it hook viewers very well. Another thing is improve your editing skills. Edit your videos very well. Another thing is make a video that your viewers will love. Make a video for your audience, not for yourself. Okay, before you create a video, check if your audience, if your viewers will really love this video, because they are the people you are making the video for. So now, if you use this exact system, this exact strategy that MrBeast is using, there is no way that your video cannot go viral. Even though it's going to take time, but it will definitely go viral. And the best part is that you can start using them today, right now, at this moment. So if you find today's video helpful, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this, and comment in the comment section to tell me which option you would try. Bye, see you on my next video.